Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about alerts. In this alerts, we have different type of alerts. Okay, one is prompt like accept, and another one is accept and as well as dismiss, and another one is with sending some information into the text box. Okay, and final one is we can able to say authentication for the pop-ups. Authentication means we can able to provide for username password. Then only it will go for next step. Otherwise it will not go. These are the four different kind of approaches. Okay. And this why this particular alerts will comes to the picture. Okay. So market if you say that alerts basically there is JavaScript of kind of pop-ups. Whenever you clicked something or you need to log in into some website, before that it will give you a confirmation whether you are going to launch for homepage or not. Like that, there is a some message will come. If you click OK, then it will go for. If you cancel, then it will not navigate into that particular website. This is the approach will happen. Okay, and this kind of JavaScript alerts how we can able to handle in by using for Cypress. Okay, here what will happen? Cypress there is a OK button means accepted. Accepted by default it will take it. Okay, accept by default it will accept it. We no need to manually or automation. We don't have anything because Cypress by default because Cypress it will invoke inside the DOM. That's why it automatically click that particular pop-up and it will goes. Okay, that is why Cypress is a more. And if you see Selenium, if you want to handle the Selenium, then we can go for this. And if you click this one, and until that you click OK, it will stay. Okay. For Java, we need to do like that. But Cypress, no need because accept whenever it will click, automatically it will click for this particular one. Okay. Even other websites are also having the similar format, but if you click OK and this one, and we are not getting any validation messages here, any validation. And this particular website is providing for validation purpose also. Once you click OK, then you can able to see you click successfully, clicked on alert. This is a confirmation. If I click the cancel, then you can able to see you clicked cancel. Like that, this is provide for information as well here. We can able to validate both the cases. Now we'll see for this particular website how we can able to do our alerts. Okay, and I'm going to create here one file that is called alert.cy.js. Okay, now here I'm going to create describe block and I'm going to create the suit, right? For the shoot means alert validations. Okay, then I'm going to create for my function. After that I'm going to create for my one test case. The test case I'm going to give you for confirm alert. Confirm alert means you are going to do for okay accepted one. Okay, now here I'm going to create for cy.visit and that I'm going to visit for this particular website. Okay, then I'm going to click here. Then once it is navigated, then we can able to click for this particular first one. Okay, if I right click, you can able to see there is a copy selector is coming. Then I'm going to copy for related CS selector and I'm going to paste it here the path whether I can able to see this is the one. Even you can able to go manual and click for this selector hub installation. I already explained the starting time. You can go through that. Okay, inspect the element and you can able to see which method we can able to take and we can able to do. This is a we have attribute called on click. By using on click we can able to take. If you want to do XPath creation, we have contains method, context method and text method. By using that also we can able to text method how we can able to and there is a value, that particular value we can able to take and we can able to create my path. Okay, this is one way. Okay, in case if you don't know the creation itself, there are multiple ways we can able to right click and go to here, copy path, and you can able to select anyone. Or if you have already for selector hub, you can right click for this one and selector hub, you can able to see all the things are provided here. All the things, even if you copy for CS expert for relative path, then you can able to see similar it will presented only for @ symbol and here two braces. That is the only extra. Remaining thing are same. Okay. By using this particular path, I am going to use now cy.get. Then I can able to give the path of this one. Okay. Dot click function. Okay. In case if I am launching this one, if it is click, right, even we can't able to see for that alert box. Okay. We'll see for that. npx cypress open. Now we'll see for alerts running. Now I'm going to run for my alert. Now you can see the alert box will not display here. See, alert box is not displayed, but our code is completed. Okay, but one thing we need to do, right? We are canceling this one. If I click this particular one, it is showing I am a JS alert. There is a text is presented. I am a JS alert. I want to validate. I want to validate this particular information which is presented inside the alert box. How we can able to, because our Cypress is automatically closing but it is not opening, then how we can able to do means we have one method. That is called Windows alert is a method. We need to use that particular method and then we can able to trigger. Okay, and if you click this one and it will not give you proper information, and you can able to like here cy.on, there is a method cy.on, and you can able to use here the command called window. See, now whenever I click for window, then you can able to the first option window colon alert. Okay, this is the function, and we can able to comma, and then you can able to use for function creation. Inside that we can able to provide for any element. Okay, then you can able to provide for cross browser function creation, and here we need to use for BDD format of expected value expect. Okay, which we are going to expect element. Okay, then I'm going to use for 2 dot contains. 2 dot contains, contain or contains, anything is okay. Okay, use for single quotation and comes to here, and this is my message. Okay, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now I'm saving. Now I'm going to again here, you can able to see now assertion will be. Now you can see there is a session expected I am a JSON alert to include I am a JSON alert. Both are success. Okay. Now I want to validate. This is a success message is presented. I clicked OK, but I have another message also it is presented. I want to verify this as well, whether I have clicked properly or not. Okay. I have clicked properly or not. Okay. For this again we can able to inspect here, or you can able to go for selected. Okay, if I inspect here, you can able to see the paragraph is the one, and also that ID is presented. Okay, I'm going to take for my ID, and I'm going to use for here cy.get, and then single quotation. I'm going to use for hash because we have ID. Then I'm going to use for should. Okay, should, and I'm going to use for have dot text because it's a web element. If it is a text box or radio button, and we can able to go for value, and if it is an a label something kind of thing, the element is presented one. If you are going to check, then we need to use for have dot text, and then we need to provide for information, which information we can able to use successfully clicked on alert, an alert. Okay, now again I'm saving. Now one more alert I'm going to adding. Okay, now you can see second alert also satisfied. Okay, we are able to do for normal okay accepted button. Now we need to do for confirmation as well. I want to do for confirmation now. How we can able to do for confirmation? One minute, I'm getting call. I'll come back. Sorry. Now we need to do for cancel now. Okay, here also there are two things are presented. One is okay and another one is cancel. By default, we saw about it will click for okay. Okay, by default it will click for okay, but I want to validate cancel as well. I want to click and cancel, and I want to verify you clicked on cancel. How to do it this one? Okay, for this again we can able to uh, cancel purpose, we can able to do for some coding. For this again I will create for another test case. Here we can make it for only for that particular test case running. Okay, and here is confirmation accept, and I'll make it for accept and dismiss. Accept and dismiss. Okay, this is my okay, and I can go ahead here. We can click for this particular one, and I'm going to take for my path of this. Here it is my path. Okay, then for confirmation checking, this is the information we are going to do it, right? And this is the one. After that we are going to get that you clicked on okay, right? Now I'm going to copy this information. I'll keep it here. Okay, this is called only for accepted with confirmation purpose. Okay, then I'm going to save this one, and you can see what happened. Okay, yeah, the path is went wrong because copy paste time it is went wrong. Now you can see you clicked OK. The assertion got success. Even you can able to see here as well. Okay, but I want to do for dismiss. I want to do for dismiss. I don't want to do for uh, accepted. I want to do for cancel as well. Okay, for cancellation, how we can able to do it? I'm going to comment this entire thing. Okay. Okay, again I'll copy this information. We need to change a little bit information. Okay, we are going to do for cancel. Cancel button. Okay, we are going to click for cancel. Okay, now we here windows dot alert is there, right? In the place we need to confirm. We need to do for some confirmation. Then we can able to use for confirm alert box. Okay, after that you can able to accept this one, and you can check this one, and then you need to use for here we can use for return false. Return false. When you use a return false, right, it will automatically, it will what we can able to is automatically it will accept one, it will stop. Okay, and it will open a pop-up, and then we can able to do some action. We can able to check cancellation purpose. Okay, previous what happened, it will take the confirmation before that. If you click that particular button, automatically it will take as an accepted and it will go for. Okay, but we are going to false because it is a true, then automatically it will click for accepted. Now we are making a false, right? Then it will go for dismiss. Okay, now it is go for dismiss. But before that, what we need to do, right? This particular information we need to paste into before clicking the button. Before clicking button, we need to make it. Because we need to get the alert box handling purpose. Okay, we need to take the entire control for that particular uh, alert. Then we can able to click it, and then we can able to see for cancel. For cancel one, if you click here and you need to click this one, and you can able to, this is the cancel. In a OK place, we can able to make for cancel. Now I'm saving now. You can see now we can able to see for cancellation. Now cancel information we are able to validate. Okay, we are able to validate, but pop-up is not displayed, but because it is alert, it will not show in a Cypress. By default it is go for backend only. Okay, if you make the first, it will click as a cancel. If you make it for OK purpose, we should not return for false. Automatically it will take for true. Okay, and another one is promotion. Click on promotion and provide some information. Then you can able to click RO. If you click OK, and it will, if you provide something name, that value it will come into the result location. Otherwise it will not come. Okay, then how we can able to handle this kind of things. Okay, now go to our web place and again copy and delete this one. Copying this one and coming to here, I'll mark it here, and then again I'm going to take for only, because I want to run only that particular one. Now I'm going to use for promote alerts. Okay, these all the things are same, and then I'm going to click for this promotion one. Taking here. Okay, this is my promote alert box. Okay, I'm clicking now. Okay, but I'm clicking the alert, but I want to enter something value. I want to enter something in that particular text box, because we have a text box. If you click here, if you enter some testing, then if you make for OK, then you can able to see here, we can able to see for testing. I want to enter, then we can able to use this alert before clicking the box, before clicking that particular one, and here we can able to say, right, and different approach we need to use cy dot window, and this is my function, because we are going to take that entire window control, and then we are going to use inside the, then I'm going to create for function. Okay, in this function I'm going to use for some value. Okay, promote I can and then we can able to class function creation, and then we are going to use for cy dot stub. Stub is the one we can able to see here, stub information. replace a function or record its usage and control its behavior, and assume that if you are already familiar like that it is giving. But in case what happen, based upon this, if you have already some if you want to replace something, or if you want to enter something, or if you want to control something into that particular action, we can able to use for this stub. Okay, then I'm going to use for here. And what I'm going to use, this is my promote one, and we need, it will take for two parameter. One is a promote window, and we need to use for promote is the information. Okay, then we need to return, and return is a function to provide a returning value. Okay, what value I can able to provide, anything we can able to provide based upon our condition. Okay, just I'm providing for testing. Okay, okay, after that we can able to click that one, and we can able to verify here text. Okay, I'm going to take for here, and mentioning here text. Okay, now I'm saving. Now you can see here, now you can see you enter testing, it is entered a value. Okay, and we are able to handle for three kind of alert boxes. One is click on a JSON function, click on confirmation JSON function, and promote. Three functions we done. Okay, fourth one is pending, that is basic authentication, and I'm going to remove this URL and I'm entering. And here you can able to see basic auth is there. If I click this particular place, and it will ask you for username and password. Username and password. Username is admin and password also admin. And if I click OK, and it will open for this window. This window. Okay. If it is not like that, in case if you we are cancel that, and it will go for back to that. Okay, it will go for back. Okay, now I want to validate this one. How we can able to validate? Now we can able to, this is my URL, we can able to take, this is my URL. Okay, so it is already automated. Okay, I'll reopen one more time. Because automatically it is handled that one, that's why it is gone. Now this is my basic auth. Okay, I'll take here and I'll paste it here down, and I'm going to taking this enter value. Okay, and coming down, and here I'm going to mention for only. Okay, this is we are going for basic alert. Okay, and here I'm going to paste it for my URL. Now this all the information is not required. Okay, now only one thing, now how we can able to handle this one. For this we have, there are two different approaches we can able to do it. One is by passing for year and inside the URL. There are two ways we can able to pass it. How we can able to, first approach we can go ahead here, and up to here is the same. Then I'm going to provide for my username is, you can remember https colon double forward slash, here you need to paste it for username colon password at the rate symbol, then it will go for directly. Okay, admin my user colon again admin my password and at the rate symbol. Okay, now after that you can see, if I save now, you can see basic auth is came here. Okay, if you inspect this particular element, or if you click here admin admin. Now I'm clicking for OK. Okay. Now you can see basic path. If I go here and take my relative X path and paste it here, this is my relative X path. Okay. Then I'm going to take this particular path. Okay. And I'm going to verifying for my value cy.get, and inside that my value. Okay. Here should and have dot text, and then I'm going to use for my value, that is basic auth basic auth. Okay. Now I am save now. Okay. You can come and see the assertion will be pass. Now assertion is pass. We are able to validate. This is one approach. Now I want to do for second approach. Okay. I want to do for another approach. Now second approach purpose. Now I'm going to remove here this all the things and comes to down the last. Okay. In the last you can use for here comma, then you can use for two curly braces, and you can use for auth. Okay. Auth is the one we can able to use it. Then you can use for colon. Okay. Then again use for two curly braces. Okay. And inside that you can able to provide for username colon single quotation admin. Okay. Then use for comma, and you can able to mark it as well password colon single quotation admin, which is the password we have. Okay. Then again save. Okay. Now go to here and see the basic auth is provided, and this is the value. Now if you have question mark, again I will reload. Now see our test case got passed. Okay. Like this we can able to do it for alerts. Okay. How many ways you want, you can able to do. These are all the four different kind of approaches. Okay. I hope this information help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.